Imagine Spider-Man jumping into action without preparing his webs first. He'd miss. He'd fall. He'd waste time. Total disaster. That's exactly what most sales teams do with outreach. They jump straight in, cold emails, cold calls, cold DMs, no prior engagement, no trust built, no conversation started. But AI changes everything. With Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai, your outreach gets a warm-up first. Moksy can build stunning and gagging web pages instantly for free, no coding skills needed. AI interacts with prospects, liking posts, commenting, following, engaging, before your rep even picks up the phone or types that email. The result? Higher reply rates, more engaged prospects, faster responses. So ask yourself, why are you still outreaching cold?